Alright, happy Wednesday, everybody. It is August 30th, 2023, and here at precisealgorithmtrading.com. And this this video will be posted in the daily review as soon as we get done. Let's flip right into the markets and take a look at Thinkorswim. And we've got a continuation today. Um, I'm expecting it to reverse to basically after a big move like that. It had a little continuation, but we're going to get probably a pullback into a zone, which I am trying to make a square of about right there. So you can see actually in the hourly chart over here that it is starting to, the dark blue bars, it means it's starting to wane. Um, so, and the hourly can turn into the daily, can turn into the weekly, and that's generally how it works because markets are fractal. So, um, yeah. All right. So, is that going to happen tomorrow? Not necessarily, but uh, like I say, we can watch that. We can see how it plays, and we can actually look for a potential buy-in to this new pattern that's happening here. Um, Potential buy signals all over the place. We don't have green here in the middle yet, but that could actually happen by just staying in that zone and this pulling back into the previous price area on the hourly chart, and then watching for a buy signal reversal on the hourly chart, which would be a good place to potentially buy. We got the 52-week highs up here that we've already been into here for in the recent past, and if the markets are continuing to be bullish, then I expect those 52-week highs to get uh, basically revisited or taken out all the way and continued to the upside. So, alright, that's enough of that. The Dow Jones Industrials, same story, just a little bit muted compared to what the S&P was doing. We didn't have as deep of a pullback, but we also didn't rally as much, and we're just above the. And check this out. This is pretty cool. The Dow came right down into the blue Harvard line, and then totally reversed right from that. So that these things are powerful. You can see it actually happened back here as well. It reversed right at it. So yeah, these things are impressive. But again, looking for basically this area to get retested at some point here. Unless we're going to go into a V bottom, which just comes straight back up again. Which in a lot of cases, markets can, um, they run away from easy buy signals. Is really what it boils down to. The Russell, by the way, markets are up a little bit today after yesterday's big rally. Generally across the board. Um, and we're getting new target dots and all sorts of fun things. But again, you got to tread with caution because these EMAs in the middle here, they're, and for that matter, the Mo zones down here in the bottom are still red. So you got to watch for them to turn green like this, and then you know buying into pullbacks is a good idea. Um, that way you're risking less, in my opinion. All right, the Nasdaq here, same story. Although it is green here in the middle, and it is green down in the Mo zones. So voila, there you go. I also tagged in here some RMO tags. It's literally labels, so I can tell what the RMOs are doing. And if you happen to be a fan of that or have seen it in the past, I am. So I'm just adding it a little bit. I think our price action and everything here is fine, but the RMOs throw nice buy signals, and they can keep you out of trouble. So, what else? The transports, same story. So, all right, that's enough of that. TLT bonds. This is just basically, I mean, anything you're doing down here is totally, in my opinion, a risky trade. It's a counter trade if you're going long here. I wouldn't do it. XLK, this is technology. It goes right along with the NASDAQ, looks pretty good. Alright, let's flip over to stockcharts.com. Type in bullish and buzz through the bullish percent indexes. So the industrials, unchanged for the day. The NYA, up 1.62%. The transports, unchanged. The NASDAQ, up 1.07%. The SPX, up 2.17%. The OEX didn't change. And the NDX tacked on a new green X. So the and we're up by 6% for the day. So yeah, the Nasdaq's again looking the strongest. So no surprise there. Let's flip over to our automatic trading systems, and this is the Dow futures. And really, they're just back and forth here. We've won some and lost some, and this is the latest in the trades there. So this is today's trades. This one didn't trade anything new after yesterday. That was a low pop yesterday and still has a lot of room to go back up to the upside, and just hasn't really been a great one for this quarter. This one, on the other hand, it ripped lower and then now it's ripped back higher again. We're seeing new equity peaks, and that's great. This is the Nasdaq, and it's probably the most consistent of the systems we have. And then this is its trading for the day. So again, 8:30 right there. So we had some winners, we had some losers, but again, our winners outpaced our losers, and that's why we got new green dots today. That one green dot there. So that's what I got for tonight. Hope everybody's having a great week. Take care, good trading, and have a great evening.